This second question, the type of the test is consolidated drained. So as I explained in this first video, when the triaxial test is drained, U is equal to 0 and sigma 3 is equal to sigma prime 3 and sigma 1 is equal to sigma prime 1, which is equal to sigma prime 3 plus delta sigma d of failure. So in this table, the confining pressure, or sigma 3, which is equal to our sigma prime 3, is given to you in the first row, and then the deviator stress of failure, which is this value, is given to you at the second row. And now the question asks you to calculate the shear strength parameters of the soil, which are your C prime and phi prime. So as I explained in the first question, this is the relation between the principal effective stresses. So I'm going to use the same equation here. So for the first specimen, we have sigma prime 1 is equal to 100 plus 269. And for the second specimen, we have sigma prime 1 is equal to 200 plus 469. Now, if we put the values of sigma prime 1 and sigma prime 3 in this equation, we will have 369 is equal to 100. Now, if we subtract this equation from this equation, we will have 300 equal to 145 plus phi prime divided by 2. And this gives us phi prime equal to which is equal to 30 degrees. And now, if we put the value of phi prime in one of these two equations here, we can calculate the value of C prime. So from the first equation, we will have C prime is equal to 369 minus 100 which is equal to 19.9 kilopascal. So these are the values that were asked in this question. And now if we draw the Moore's circles for these two specimens, we will get a graph like this, and the value of C prime was 19.9. The value of phi prime was equal to 30 degrees, sigma prime 1 for the first specimen was C369. For the second one was 669, and the value of sigma prime 3 for this one was 100, for this one was 200.